All right, so here we go. So we have three different types of compounds. We have alkanes, we have alkenes. Am I spelling these right?
Yes.
Alkynes. All right? Now these are carbon-hydrogen bonds. Okay, for instance, this is, that's 5 carbons. Every carbon needs how many bonds?
One. Wait, ask a question again.
Excuse me?
Can you ask a question again?
How many bonds form around carbon?
4.
4 bonds, right? Now, if it's an alkane, alkene, alkyne, it just means there's carbon and hydrogen. Okay? So each one of these lines represents a hydrogen. Correct?
Yes.
Now, so when you have all single bonds, it's an alkane. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, if I have 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 3 carbons, this is getting in the way here. I'll just draw that over. In other words, if I have 1 carbon, 2 carbons, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. The 1 carbon is called methane, right? Ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Go ahead, help me out here. Hexane, heptane, octane, like gasoline, octane. What is it? Nonane, decane. Now, an interesting thing is that octane, right? You have certain carbons. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are gases. This can be gas or liquid depending upon the pressure it's under, butane, okay, or the temperature of the room. This could be gas liquid. These are generally all liquid. Gasoline, for instance, is maybe here, maybe, yeah, we'll say here. That's gasoline, roughly. Gasoline is a mixture of different compounds, different alkanes. You can look it up. It's maybe, I don't know, maybe here, hexane, heptane, octane, and it's rated by its content of octane. That's its rating, okay? So this is gasoline. Gasoline are the liquids. These here are the gases. These are the liquids. It's not one substance. It's a bunch of different substances. Okay, for instance, gasoline. And then the heavier ones, the heavier liquids, like decane, okay? And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, that's kerosene. They're heavier, yeah? But the actual cutoffs are in literature. You can look it up in the book. I don't know what the cutoffs are offhand. So these are, that's what one is this? This is called what? 5 carbon would be pentane, right? Yes? Yes? Okay, now, next, if I put a double bond here, what do I have to get rid of? I have to get rid of, right? Because you can only have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes?
Yes.
Yes? If I put a triple bond here, I get rid of this. Yes? 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 Now, something may be interesting to you. You ever hear of polyunsaturated oils?
No.
You've never heard of polyunsaturated oils? Curious. This is a point of unsaturation. It's an unsaturation point. A double bond in a hydrocarbon is called a point of unsaturation. Okay? This is, what's this called, this substance? This is a what? It's not propane. Propene, right? It's an alkene, right? How do you name this? Tomorrow, you should come in here with an ability to name, right? How do I name this? How do I name that substance? In other words, how do I know where to put the double bonds? How do I know? How do you number? The carbons have to be numbered. How do you number them? How do you do that? How do I name that? Yes? Yes? Now, we have different, so that's alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. Any questions on that? Yes? This is a form of, we still have like 4 minutes, 3 minutes. What is it?
2 minutes.
2 minutes? 1 minute?
2.
Are you telling me you want to leave?
No.
Yes, you are. Please let me leave. Okay, so this is, we'll name this alkanes, alkenes, alkynes. An introduction. How's that? Is that good? All right, see you later. Make sure you do your reading.